Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. The theme app is installed and at the required version, and you have a backup of your current theme. Once done, open the app and choose Create New Theme to begin. This initializes files and avoids overwriting. Make sure to upload logos, enter primary color hex codes, and add font files now so placeholders render properly. This immediate action prevents layout shifts later and sets a single source for your styles and assets. Next, you'll tackle the middle work, shaping layout and templates. Open the layout editor and adjust header and footer blocks. Once adjusted, preview on desktop and mobile to confirm breakpoints. Then assign 9 hero images and map content types, product, blog, landing, to their templates so data populates correctly. Make sure to save drafts frequently and use the preview toggle to inspect dynamic content. This detailed execution ensures consistency across pages and reduces rework when you publish. To finish, run a full preview and test links, load times, and accessibility. Once satisfied, publish to staging to validate real-world behavior. After staging checks, schedule a publish window and push live, monitoring analytics and errors for the first 24-48 hours. If something breaks, revert immediately to the backup you exported or inspect browser console logs to identify missing assets or script errors. One key tip: if layout shifts appear, clear caches and confirm asset paths. Most issues stem from version or path mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.